Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about CDSL, BSE, IEX, and INDIAMART. So we are going to talk about the stage analysis and the relative strength of these stocks and how to identify the next levels or what are going to be the breakout and breakdown levels for these particular four stocks. So as you can clearly see that CDSL is now at in the stage 3 topping period, and as soon as it breaks 1085 rupees or 1050 rupees, the stock is going to go into a fresh downtrend here. So the stock has been sideways from the past 1 year or so, more than 1 year, and this is a clear sign of a topping area. And personally I think that the CDSL has made a top here. There could be some kind of bounces till 1200 rupees, but personally I think that these bounces has to be sold off. If we look at the relative strength now, if you do not understand relative strength is basically how strong the stock is compared to the overall markets. Here the overall market we compare, basically the relative strength in this case is the Nifty 50. And let me just change the settings from 123 to 52. So as soon as I apply the relative strength here, we can clearly see the 52-week RS of CDSL is in negative. That means CDSL has been underperforming the market from a very long period of time. So for capturing a bigger trend of a stock, you have to enter a stock when the stock is giving a stage 1 breakout and the relative strength of the stock is positive here, right? So we see the trend of the stock turned positive here and it turned negative. So a total of 438% was captured in a period of 2 years. This is all possible when you understand how to use the relative strength, and when you understand how to use the stage analysis for correct entry and exit. And for that, basically, for that you need to know how to apply relative strength as well as stage analysis correctly. And for that I'm coming up with a advanced swing trading mentorship program where we are going to talk about stage analysis, relative strength, how to capture these 100 200% moves into a stock. So this is going to be a 4-week session and about 10 to 12 hours of live session. You can use the link in the description below and use code new year for 500 rupees off, where if you apply for this mentorship program before the 1st of January 2023. So and you'll be given screeners. We are going to talk about how to enter, exit, stock selection criteria, sector rotation, and how to find these 100 200% stocks, right? So coming to BSE, we see that BSE had already broken the stage 4 base at around 590 rupees and is now currently trading at 530 rupees. The relative strength also has turned negative here, and you can look at my past videos where I've talked where the stocks which have RS negative and stage 4 downtrend have been sideways for the past 1 year till now and has not given any kind of return. So similar could be a case in case of BSE, and I personally think that this here itself was a sign of topping, and then we can see a structure of lower high, lower low. So if you see, look at the chart here, we see a structure of lower high and lower high. Sorry, this lower high, lower low, right? So this is one. The next level for this basically is at around 431 rupees. 430 to 470 rupees is a good area of support. 470 is probably a good area of support for BSE, and the stock can head towards that. Any kind of rise till 570 should be looked as a selling opportunity rather than buying opportunity, and you can clearly see the trend has been shifted here. Last time the trend, we see that there was a trend reversal. You see the stock was in a downtrend, and from 340 it closed at 103 rupees. So similar structure is here, and you never know how low the stock can go, and that is why I suggest that you follow stage analysis, and that is why I suggest that you should know how to use the stage analysis to save your money, right? Now, the next stock that I'm going to talk about, IEX, we have talked about this stock a lot number of times in our YouTube channel as well. And my view is still the same. The relative strength is negative. We see the climax selling at the top of the trend, and we see the climax selling at the top of the trend, and the stock is in stage 4 downtrend. The 110 rupees could be the next major support where we could see some kind of accumulation here, right? And the fourth stock that I'm going to talk about is IndiaMart. IndiaMart, we see the stock had given me a downtrend breakdown at around 6,700 6,800 rupees or so, and has been into sideways zone from that period of time. So a lot of money was saved by the mentorship students, those who subscribed to the mentorship program and those who knew how to use the stage analysis effectively. And that is why I suggest that you join our mentorship program for understanding stage analysis in a deeper manner, where we are going to talk about stage analysis relative strength for more than 2 to 3 hours individually, right? So what stocks you want me to analyze, do comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to pin the payment link for the mentorship program, and hope to see majority of you in the program, where we are going to talk a lot about swing trading and all, right? Thank you, have a great day, and comment below whatever the stock that you want me to analyze.